this is Carla with WTI. Do you like that nice full fluffy look to your brows? Well, this is the KOSAS Tinted Brow Gel. So this tinted gel has that texture of like creamy and moussey, so it's very air-like, light, and it gives you that feather-like brow look. I really love this product because I don't have to spend so much time filling in my brows. I'm usually on the go, so I want something that's fast, but at the same time gives me that nice volume, fills in any areas that I need for my brows. And I mean, a little bit goes a long way, and if you want to build up more, you can do that with this product. As you can see, the shade of color that I'm using is black, so it's not such a bold black color, it's very subtle. So for me, this color works really well. And as you can see when I'm filling it in, I mean, it's pretty easy. I just go in there, I can build up more, and you can already see the difference. And it's natural too, so it doesn't give you that bold brows. If you like more that natural fluffy look, then yeah, you're going to get that. So when I go in and fill it in, you can see the difference. And I mean, my brows, I love the way it looks, and it stays in place. That's what I love, that my brows do not move all day. When I'm out, when I go out, my brows will stay in place. It doesn't give me that like flaky. There's never been any flakiness or anything like that. My brows will literally stay in place. And if I want to add more, I can. But I mean, that's what I like it because with this tinted gel, so it's tinted and a gel, so I can be sure that my brows will be looking good for the rest of the day. So if you're in the market looking for a tinted gel that could give you the nice fluffy look and that it's long wear, I highly recommend the KOSAS Air Brow Tinted Gel, and that is my point of view.